On larger jobs, sometimes you'll have the flashing crew go along and flash the windows, and then another group will come along and actually set the window in the opening. It never hurts for the window guys to double check everywhere on the flashing, make sure everything's been rollered and as well adhered as it can be. Check the corners, make sure it's all nice and tight. It's just a good thing to do for ensuring weather tightness. In our case, we were unable to get a full window on short notice from Capital Glass, but we have the actual extrusion. We've got a corner sample minus the glass, and we've got a straight sample. So bear with me. I think it'll be pretty clear once we get started. So after we've checked with the J-roller, we'll apply our Barabond sealant. I'm sure you guys love this stuff at this point, just like me. The Barabond only goes across the head and the sides. We're keeping the bottom open such that our nail fin is not adhered. That way, if any water gets in, right here at this weather barrier at the front of the window, it has a way out. If we put the Barabond here and seal it, we've just created a dam so water can build up back in here. We'll just apply a nice fat bead. Right there. Go across the top. And down the side. So at the same time, we're applying the Barabond to the outside to bed the window. We're also going to run a bead of Barabond right along here and right along here. That bead runs from where the flashing ends and slightly on top of the flashing all the way to the inside edge of the window. What we're doing is providing an air seal in the remaining portion of the four corners here of the window box. You'll want to bed that Barabond in there with your finger, keep it pretty thin, just so it doesn't interfere with setting the window and get all over everything. The critical thing is that we've just got a bedded bead in there that provides a long-term air seal. Next step is going to be to install our mock-up window sections.